To set different screen time limit for each day in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap parental control. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Tap screen time. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Select set goals for each day of the week. Next, you can set the duration of each day by tapping the drop-down menu next to the day. Repeat this step for another day. With this setting, your kid will only be able to use Kids app for the selected duration on the selected day. As the example, since it's Thursday and the screen time limit for Thursday is set to 30 minutes, then your kid will only be able to use Kids app for 30 minutes for today. However, when the limit is over, there will be a notification said that the time is up and your kid will not be able to use the phone except you increase the limit. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.